This video will show how to buy shares of XSpray Pharma AB, a Swedish pharmaceutical company working on non-invasive drug delivery. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker XSPRAY.ST, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you typically must verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XSPRAY.ST to locate the correct listing. Confirm the exchange and company name to ensure you have the CBOE EU listing. On the asset page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to understand the listing. Double-check the exchange and ticker to confirm this is the correct XSpray Pharma AB entry. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.